shooting a big gun.
That's it's awesome.
Both eyes open, you see that light? Switch the fire for you. There you go.
There you go.
Right in the heart.